once again, Namaste, Namaskar. On behalf of TX9, I welcome you all to this beautiful, a very, very special grand launch. Yes, I am excited for sure. Each one of you present here are super duper excited. I'm going to put the full stop to your curiosity because we're going to witness live how beautiful this product is, how amazing the product is, and we will know the features of the product very soon. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to start this great, fantastic, lovely, rocking, super duper event with a huge round of applause, everyone, because we have the new member coming to our family. We're going to welcome the new member. This is how we're going to welcome. Come on, everyone. All right, the way they're standing, you already know that they're here to launch the most awaited. Ladies and gentlemen, the most awaited moment is here. The moment we've been waiting for. We flew down from Kerala to Bengaluru to see this amazing product live. Are we ready? You gotta make some noise. How many of you know how to whistle? Are we ready? Now, this is the time to reveal our most anticipating futuristic robo, FT450, the robo that's built for you! Come on, everyone! Let's welcome FT450, the robo that's built for you! FT450, the robot that built for you. What a beauty, what a beauty. In front of you. Oh my god, it looks lovely, it looks beautiful, it looks perfect. It looks like it's designed perfectly for the Indian road. That's FT450. You've all been waiting for. It's in front of you. How do we welcome a new member to our family? Come on, everyone. We saw the new product that's on stage, FT450. How many? For sure, we would want to know the features. We know how it looks, but what are the features? I'm going to explain or talk about features, and I would ask you, which is that one particular feature you loved about our new product? So, we good to start? Okay. FT450 as a front and rear disc brake with 10-inch tubeless tire with an alloy wheel. That means it is a very advanced technology. When we say it's advanced technology, the maintenance is less. Who want to take the vehicle to garage or maintain every now and then? So we want which has got less maintenance, and this has got less maintenance. Along with that, it will reduce the stopping distance, which is the best for Indian road, according to me. The next one is with the Bluetooth enabled, where you can connect to your mobiles. Mobile is something must. We don't get out of the house without the mobile. The next is with the feature of sound customization. You might find customers like me who would say, we would want sound, but I don't want sound which makes a lot of noise or no sound at all. Maybe a medium, because I know I am riding the vehicle. Otherwise, I think I'm flying somewhere. So I can customize the sound the way I want to the level I want to. That is the best and amazing feature. So it says with the feature of sound customization that customer can customize a vehicle sound. For better visibility, we are using LED headlights with day run light. So you might be thinking, it is an electric vehicle. When we have the headlight, which consumes a lot of power, it's going to get a little difficult. So LED light is such a thing which uses less battery power. Equipped with hazard switch, and the customer can experience a smooth ride because of his aerodynamic and sporty design. That means because of this design, it can easily navigate through the air or through the air. The digital display monitor will come in multi-colors. The front and the rear suspensions are specially tuned for the Indian roads. We all know, forget about Indian road. Let's take one small example of Bangalore roads. You know how bad the roads are, but this feature is specially tuned into particularly the roads here in India. So that is one of the best feature, I would say. The lithium-ion battery associated with FT450 is a suitcase kind of a battery which is designed for future swapping. You need not carry the battery. People who watch you can say, are you carrying a battery? No, in this case, it will be like a suitcase. People will not even know. It is designed so beautifully, it exactly looks like a suitcase. The user can experience, okay, this is my favorite feature. For sure, you will also love it. The user can experience a mileage range up to, any idea, any guesses? Any guesses, mileage? 180? Any guesses here? You should talk something, yeah, come on. 150 to 200? Okay, they say 180, 150 to 200, but I have a surprise for you, and that is the mileage range up to 210 kilometers for a single charge. Isn't that a very, very amazing feature? When I read this yesterday, there was a big smile on my face because I also had a plan to buy one, but I had two important factors. One is mileage, another one is, I'm going to read now. The fast charger, which comes along with the vehicle, is completely portable. That means you can charge anywhere. This was one reason, the charging of the battery was one reason I didn't go for electric vehicle, but now with the feature of 210 kilometers and portable, and I think I should buy one if you give me a great discount, one of the certified dealers. The seating will be completely comfortable and well-defined position for easy riding of the vehicle. These are the amazing features. So I would want to know I'll come to each table and I would want to know what is that one feature apart from I know everyone loved the mileage feature to 10 kilometers. Apart from that, which is the one next feature you liked it? I'll give the mic to you 1 second.
My name is Vijin. I love that aerodynamics.
Okay, aerodynamic design, sporty design, that one. Okay, we have got one here and I'll give the mic to you. Which one do you like?
Design.
Design?
Range.
Range?
And speed.
Speed, okay. Thank you so much with that. Very exciting. Isn't it very exciting features? Doesn't it look wow? A round of applause, a new member. We're going to take it to the next level. Are we going to take it to the next level? Yeah, lovely. Those were the main features of specs of our newly launched Robo, but we cannot forget the Robo that made the TX9, and that was FT350. From the first FT350 variant, currently we improved a lot, and those were we replaced the conventional halogen bulb headlight to the latest LED, as I told you. For better braking, we added rear disc brake, retuned rear suspension for better comfort, and added customized vehicle sound. So there are a lot of changes with the previous and the present one. And in first time in electric two-wheeler segment, we introduced the variant upgradation kit, where we can give the customer to upgrade the vehicle in future and many more on the line. I have one more very important point to make or tell you here. Currently, people that we, customer like us, directly compare electric vehicle charging with conventional fuel filling. And they think, and it's a time-consuming process, and in order to avoid this challenge, we are here to compare battery directly with fuel, and that is TX9 battery swapping station. So with this all amazing features, I think this amazing, amazing beauty on stage deserves a big round of applause. Everyone. So TX9, is this the end? No way. I mean, who says this is the end? This is just the beginning. We have taken off and we're going to go more high and more high. That means what it is. What am I talking about? Look at the screen, you have something coming up. We have something spectacular coming up. This is a spectacular, no doubt. We had before this FT3500, which was very spectacular. This is amazing and spectacular, a beauty. This is totally a beauty on stage, I could say that. Along with all this, when I say something is coming, and this is not the end, this is just the beginning, what more we could have. Look on the screen, what more we could have. Everyone, eyes on the screen, please. So how many of you are waiting for the 3.0? It looked like a black beauty for me. I mean, the white we have here, that looked like a black. How many of you are waiting? Okay, what more, I am curious to what more it can have. I think we have all the best possible features in this one. What more the next one will have? Okay, we all should wait and watch because we are launching it soon. We will see you all in the next launch. So with that, all the best. It's your responsibility to take this to the next level. Let's work together. Let's grow together. Let's be happy. Are we ready to grow together? Okay. So all the best and congratulations to who are present here who came on the stage, certified dealers. Thank you so much. You've come all the way from Kerala to and joined this wonderful day and made this day even more special for us. Thanks to everyone who's present here. We are serving lunch right outside the hall. Please have lunch. And any doubt, we have the entire team who's present here. Any doubt, if you have any question, please feel free to ask us. Thank you so much. Hope you had a great day. Hope you are very happy with our new one. Are you? FT450, are you happy with it? Yes? Are you happy seeing it? I don't see that happiness only. Come on, there's a big smile. Are we happy? With that big smile on your face, thank you so much. My name is MC Anita. I'm signing off. Have a great and fantastic day. Thank you.